In this lesson, I'll walk through a frequent closed item sets exercise. Suppose we have this transactional database, minimum support is set to 2, and the goal is to find all frequent closed item sets. A pattern or item set is closed if it's frequent and there exists no superpattern Y, where X is contained in Y with the same support as X. I suggest that you take a moment and try to work on the problem on your own. The first step to find all closed frequent patterns is to actually find all frequent patterns. You can use the Apriori algorithm or the FP growth. Suppose that you already have all frequent patterns. Now it's the time to apply the definition and identify the closed patterns. Is A closed? Now I'm going to look for any supersets that contain A and check the support. Here I see that AC, A contained in AC, the support is the same, so A is not closed. What about B? B appeared in AB, but B support 3 is greater than 2, so B is closed. What about C? C has support of 4. AC also has the support of 4, so this is not a closed pattern. What about D? D didn't appear anywhere, so it's closed. What about AB? AB appeared in ABC, so it's not closed. AC appeared in ABC, but note that AC has a greater support, so it's closed. BC is not closed, and ABC is closed.